formation from evaporation. So here's Puget Sound. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some water from the sound. Here's the water from Puget Sound. And this has salt in it. It's about 33 parts per thousand, and ocean water is 35 parts per thousand. The ocean is a little bit saltier than here just because we have so many rivers coming in here. So what I want to do is I want to get the salt out of this water. And we're going to do that by evaporation. So we got to take it home with us. Put the lid on and see it home. Okay, so we've got our seawater back, and we're going to pour it into this container. This is my makeshift beaker, and take this out. And so you can see this is just regular seawater, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a pan, and I'm going to boil it. This is not the way that we make sea salt, but for our purposes today, this is kind of what we have to do. We're going to evaporate, the water's going to heat up, the water molecules are going to evaporate. What's going to be left is salt. So I have to really be careful and watch this because I don't want all the water to evaporate and then start heating up just blank salt, just regular salt. So while this is doing that, I'm going to show you guys a couple different kinds of salt. This is Morton salt. This is sodium chloride, and it also has a sort of an anti-clumping agent in it, and that is called calcium silicate. So that's salt, and you can also get something called Himalayan pink salt. This is actually mined in Pakistan, and it's got a little pink color to it because it has some iron in it. And then you're gonna also see at the store something called sea salt. I didn't have any, I just made this up. It's actually baking soda inside here. But sea salt is basically the evaporation way of making salt. These two forms of salt are actually mined underground. They all really formed well, the sea salt is going to be formed when through solar evaporation. So if you want to take a look here, there's the salt water heating up. So now we're going to just do a quick little review over here. So salt water is sodium Na, that's sodium chloride, plus a little H2O. But it also has a whole bunch of other minerals in it, really small trace amounts of minerals. And it also has living organic material too. Ocean water, its salinity, that's how we measure how much salt is in there, is 35 parts per thousand. Puget Sound is a little bit less just because of that river influence. So NaCl is the compound, sodium chloride. Okay. So we'll give it a few minutes and then we'll come back and take a look at our evaporation. Is the final product. I boiled off most of it and then turned it down to low. And what we have here is basically sea salt. There it is. And what would happen in real life, if you were to buy this at the store, they would process it some more. I wouldn't eat this because it came from Puget Sound and it has a whole bunch of other things in it. Unless it was really a little bit more processed. But if you can kind of take a look at how much there is, and I didn't even scrape all of it off. But that's quite a bit of sea salt. And I wish I had my electronic scale here. I don't. But it would be interesting to weigh it and, you know, make a ratio and all that to see. So, there you go. Pepe and I made sea salt. Thanks for watching.